This video will be a quick introduction to Halton Cloud. So once you've made it to the login page, enter your username and your password, and that should bring you into Halton Cloud. Please make sure that you are actually in fact in Halton Cloud and not some other personal Google Doc or Google type software. If not, you can click on to probably the login here, sign out from your personal Google account, and make sure that you're going in with your Halton Cloud account. Okay, once inside, you'll see I have a number of titles that I've already created, but it's pretty easy to use. You go over to this Create tab here, and you can create various things. You can create documents, which is like Word. Presentations is similar to PowerPoint. Spreadsheets is similar to Excel. And also creating folders. Those are the main four things or four items that you will be using. For example, creating a document. The document creates, it looks similar to Word, and you can begin typing. This is a test document. Once you've typed something in, you can also name that document. So naming the document, again, fairly easy. You scroll over it, you see it becomes highlighted, click on it, and I can say it's a test document. Okay. Unlike Word or anything else like that, you have no save buttons. It saves automatically. So you can see that we don't have under File a save function. This document is continually saving all of the time. You can see up top my Google Drive, okay, back where Halton Cloud is still a tab available, as well as my, test document should be, there we go. It's called test document, that's still active. Now I can go back into here, I can create now a presentation if I wanted to, and you'll see up top, my test document remains. I still have my presentation available. And I can begin working on this, such as calling this a test presentation. And again, it's very similar. I can insert things like text boxes and images. And you can format, you can work with your slides, you can delete slides, you can move slides around. But again, there's no save function. Okay? Now if I X out of both of these, we will see that in the titles that I have created, test document and test presentation are already in my list of titles of things that I have created. Okay. If you wish to upload files, you can do this in a very similar manner. Upload and files. Now I can search through my desktop, I can search through my C drive, I can search anywhere. And let's say I wanted to upload the course outline for this course, the PDF version. I can select it, go to Open Files, and you have the option here. You can convert these things to Google Doc. I'm going to leave it as a PDF file, and you'll see that it has now uploaded and is now part of my title. So it's pretty easy to use. I would encourage you to practice using some of this, because during the careers class I will have you either creating some documents, I might be sharing some documents with you, but more importantly you'll be creating a folder from this location. This folder, I can create a folder and I can name it anything I'd want. Again, we'll just simply say test folder, create that test folder, and you can see this test folder has been created. Okay, so that's how you create a folder. And that's a basic overview of Google Docs. in Halton Cloud.